Hi, it's Malcolm, and if you're a homeowner, I'm sure you all experienced the feeling of your home insurance renewal coming through, dropping into your inbox, or your letter coming through your letterbox, and the premium seems to have skyrocketed from the previous year. Your first instinct is probably to go online to a price comparison website and see if you can get it cheaper elsewhere. However, what I want to talk to you about today is the risks involved in doing that and the importance of taking out a de facto 5-star rated policy. So defaqto is an independent financial information company, and it's designed to help consumers better understand the quality of the contracts they're taking out and compare them against each other. When it comes to bills and contents insurance, it takes 31 different features and scores those 31 features out of 5, and it comes out with an overall rating for each plan. So I'm going to talk to you about some of the features that go into making a bills and contents policy 5-star rated. So firstly, sum insured. So when you take out a new policy, you want to make sure that you're going to be insured for enough, because the worst thing is that you need to make a claim and for some reason you haven't taken out a policy that's big enough to cover all your contents, for example, and your claim is paid out for an amount that is lower than you would have expected. So when you're calculating this, you've got to think about the worst case scenario, which is something like the property is completely burnt down, for example. So that includes all of your clothes, your devices, rebuilding the property from scratch, decorating, etc., etc. So make sure you've got a good sum insured. Let's say you have a leak at your property, so some water's coming through from the ceiling, for example, and you've got to desperately try and find out where that water's coming from. So the plumber comes to the property, can't find the leak, it's not obvious, rips the bathroom to pieces, the bath comes up, all the tiles are back, and finally they find the source of this leak, and it might be just a small repair to a pipe that might have been leaking for several years. Some insurance policies would only pay out for the actual repair, not the damage caused by the workman. So what you could really look for when you're looking for a 5-star policy is trace and access, because with trace and access, the insurance company pays for the cost of the damage done by the tradesperson to find the source of the problem, not just putting the problem right. You might want to check if your current policy has got a UK-based claims centre. That's important sometimes because you want to know that someone can clearly understand what you're trying to get across in the event of a claim. Sometimes it can be quite stressful and emotional situations. And also, if the insurance company is going to do some repair work to your property, then I think it's really important that the insurer provides a 12-month guarantee for the repair works that are being done. So if you'd like us to compare your current policy with a de facto 5-star rated one, or simply for us to provide you with a no obligation free quotation when your current policy comes due for renewal, please drop us an email and we'll be happy to get back in touch with you.